What's all this? What's all this?
3 years. Just down the drain. Just like that.
This life in no balance, oh.
No, these people are jokers. Even after meeting all the requirements and my daddy's connection, they still said,
My position has been among those selected for elimination.
no. They said, after careful consideration, we are sorry to inform you that we are unable to offer you a place in
This United States of America? God, how can someone be applying for something over and over and over and over and...
Over. So it's really over. My heart, my devotion, my love. Didn't it mean anything to?
These people, they did me bad, oh. After all the innovative ideas I brought, I was laid off.
He left me.
no Ivy League school wants me.
Still, no green card or work permit.